So you are going to be using your earpiece and a foam. Okay guys, this is basically what you need, these two things. So we are starting from this one. I'm going to cut off this from here. I'm going to cut it off from here like this. I'm going to cut it off from here, and this is this. So I'm going to measure this stuff. Okay, then I will trim it. You have to shape it anyhow, the way you want. Then you puncture a hole inside. Then you have to shake. You have to put it inside the hole that you created, and make sure that you cover the mouthpiece. So this is it. How does it look? Is it not creative? So I'm going to test it. Okay guys, this is it. Right, and it looks good. If you want to make it long, you can decide to cut this and join this one, join it, and it will make a lot of sense too. Or you can decide to bring another earpiece and cut it and join. I will be testing the microphone now. I have a lavalier mic earlier, the one that I bought, and it's expensive. It's quite expensive. This is it. So this is the one. This is it. So I'll be comparing the sound. Now I'll be comparing how the thing sounds. So this is how this one sounds, the lavalier mic that I bought, and I'll show you. This is how the one that I made now sounds. I guess you can see the difference. This is it. This is how it sounds, and I think this sounds very good. This is one I bought, and you can easily get it, though it's quite expensive. It's more expensive than this one now that we just made now. That sounds very good. So if you can't make this one yourself, you can easily get this one, and your video quality will increase. This is one of the best things that you can do to help your audio quality. as you make your video or do other things that you do with your microphone. So if this is your first time of seeing me, so is this your first time of seeing my video, or you have been seeing my videos and you have not subscribed, please, I beg you, subscribe now. Like, please subscribe now, and go down to the comment section and say subscribed. Type in subscribe so that I can come there and give you a warm welcome. So I'm waiting. So all my returning subscribers, you know how we do it now. Thank you so much. Today I'll be leaving you guys with this one and this, and in my next video I will show you how to edit your YouTube background if you don't have a good background to make videos, to do anything that you want to do, to take pictures. I will show you how to edit your background. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Okay guys, you can try this, and if you have tried it, you can come and tell me how it was. I think this looks way better than this one. I think this one is better than this one. Just try it and tell me how it went. And thank you so much for subscribing. If this is your first time of seeing my video, my name is Promise, and welcome to my YouTube channel.